In today's video, I am going to teach you how to secure your Pepperstone account. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Secure Client area. Once you are inside your account dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. In that menu, click on Trading Accounts. This will open the section where all of your available trading accounts are listed. Next, find the specific trading account that you want to secure. Take a moment to make sure you have selected the correct one before moving forward. On that account card, click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens the account options. After that, the Edit Account Settings window will appear on your screen. In this window, select Change Trading Account Password. This will take you to the Password Update section for that trading account. Now click into the New Password field. You will need to enter a new password that follows the required password rules. Your new password must be at least 8 characters long. It must include at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, and at least one numeric character. As you type, make sure your password matches all of these requirements so the system will accept it. Once you have entered the new password, review it carefully before you submit it. This is an important step because it helps you avoid mistakes that could prevent you from logging in later. Make sure everything is typed exactly the way you intend. When you are ready, click Submit. The system will then process your password change. Give it a moment to complete. Do not close the page too quickly while the update is being applied. After the process is finished, check for confirmation that your trading account password has been updated successfully. This confirms that the change is complete and that your account is now secured with the new password. If you see the success message, your update has been completed correctly. You can now continue using your trading account with the new password you just set. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.